Home remedies for arthritis and joint pain. Do you ever have pain in your knees, hips, hands, or other joints, and you don't know why? This can be a sign of arthritis, which can happen in many ways. There are more than 100 different types of arthritis. Arthritis is when one or more joints become swollen. You may see other signs of arthritis, like redness and swelling around the joints, together with the pain. It might also be hard to move the body parts that are hurt, and they may be stiff. A doctor can give you medicine to treat arthritis, and you can find some over-the-counter medications to help with pain. But lots of people feel a bit better from keeping moving, and by using some of these simple, natural cures. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is full of minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. For this reason, it is great for lessening pain in the joints. It also keeps toxins from building up in the joints and connective tissues. Take 1 cup of warm water. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey in it. Drink this mixture every morning for its alkalizing effect. 2. Ginger. Because ginger brings down swelling, it's a good idea for treating arthritis. Dry grind a mixture of 6 teaspoons of dry ginger, 6 teaspoons of caraway seed powder, and 3 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Take a half teaspoon of this mixture with water 3 times a day. If you put ginger oil on the hurt area all the time, it can help ease pain, swelling, and stiffness. 3. Massage. A great way to get rid of the pain and swelling from arthritis is by massaging the area with mustard oil. This oil works as a natural cream and helps with blood flow. 4. Turmeric. If you take turmeric all the time, it can help bring down swelling. This is because it has curcumin, which stops swelling. It is very good for treating rheumatoid arthritis. It can take 500 milligrams to 1000 milligrams turmeric capsules 3 times a day. You can also drink fresh turmeric juice or a glass of warm milk mixed with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder every day before bed. 5. Epsom salt. Epsom salt, which is full of magnesium, helps even out the acid levels in the body. This is important because some inflammatory diseases like arthritis are caused by too much acid in the body. Mix even amounts of Epsom salt and lemon juice and have a cup of warm water. Drink 1 teaspoon of the mixture 2 times a day, 1 in the morning and 1 at night. You can also add 1 cup of Epsom salt to warm bath water and soak in it. 6. Cinnamon. Because cinnamon helps bring down swelling and has antioxidants, it is great for easing the pain from arthritis. Take a cup of warm water and mix in a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this mixture every morning on an empty stomach. Do this every day for a few days in a row. You can also make cinnamon and honey into a paste and massage it gently on the painful area. 7. Fish oil. Fish oil has omega-3 fatty acids that help stop swelling in the body and ease pain. Eat 1 to 2 teaspoons of fish oil every day. Taking fish oil supplements in the morning, when your stomach is empty, will help ease morning stiffness. Together with supplements, you should eat cold water fish and other natural foods like flax seeds that have a lot of omega-3 fatty acid. 8. Alfalfa. Alfalfa can also help people with arthritis because it is full of minerals and helps even out acid levels in the body. You can make a healthy cup of tea using alfalfa seeds. Add 1/2 or 1 teaspoon of alfalfa seeds to a cup of boiling water. Let it boil for 20 to 30 minutes with a cover on, and then drain it. Drink the tea 2 times a day for 2 to 3 weeks to bring down swelling. 9. Cherries. Because cherries have a lot of magnesium and potassium, they are very good for people with arthritis. Magnesium naturally soothes pain, and potassium brings down swelling. 10. Borage. Borage seed oil can lessen swelling and ease some signs of arthritis. Massage borage seed oil on the hurt area all the time to help heal tender and swollen joints. Any of these cures can help people who suffer from arthritis. But they should also make sure to keep moving all the time to keep them in good health.